Welcome to all of you. This online teaching learning class. Myself, Assistant Professor Santosh Prabhakar Ada, Department of Economics, and we have learned here TYBCom Banking and Finance paper number 3. And today we learn about the Banking and Finance paper 3 Negotiable Instrument Act, check and its essential. In the previous lecture, we also discussed the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, which is exists in India 1881, where the British people ruled out, and we follow the banking business of the British people. That's why it is exists in 1881. It is the 23 time amendment in this act and latest amendment in 2012, and there are some important content we also discuss in this lecture. The meaning of negotiable instrument. Negotiable instruments means the instrument which is the transfer the ownership from one person to another person, and negotiable means the transfer the title from one person to another person. And there are also we looking the definition as per the Act section 13, which is mentioned in our previous lecture. So, negotiable instruments means the bill of exchange, negotiable instrument means the check, negotiable instrument means the promissory note, which is the transfer the ownership from one person to another person. In the previous lecture, we also discussed the some types of the negotiable instruments like the promissory note, bill of exchange and the check. The Negotiable Instrument Act, the section 4 is about the promissory note, then section 5 is about the bill of exchange, and then section 6 is about the check. Also there are the some another types of the negotiable instruments like hundi, which is used by the customs by businessmen and traders, and the treasury bills, which is used by the government. Today we have discussed on the checks and its types. The another point is about the reasons of return of the checks. The also we looking here the payment of fraud check, and the another point is about the dishonor of the check. Learning objective of this lecture, we have learned here the meaning and feature of the check. We also know the reasons of return of the checks, and to know the what is mean by the fraud check and essential things they require for precaution of the banker. Also we learn about the reasons of dishonor of checks and whenever the dishonor of the negotiable instrument like a check. So, what is mean by check? Check is a very common use of the negotiable instrument, and it is the mention in Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, and check means a special kind of bill of exchange and it is always draw on the banker. So, check is a special kind of the negotiable instrument and it is always draw on the banker. There are the three parties in the check. There are the three parties: the drawer, drawee, and the payee. The Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 section 6 is mentioned the definition of the check. So, check is an instrument draw on the specific banker and ordering to pay specific amount of the money to specific person after the debt. So, it is the special kind of the negotiable instrument and it is always draw on the bank. The according to act, check is the bill of exchange draw on the specific banker and not express is the payable otherwise in on demand. So, it is the express and pay the money whenever the customer they pay the certain sum of money to the customer. The next is about the specimen of the check. Here we looking the one specimen of the check, and there are certain things are the essential in the checks. Like first is the debt. The debt is the important thing in the check. The after debt, the validation of the check is the important, because the check is valid is only on the 3 months. The next thing is about the certain person. Who is the certain person in the check? Here the Dr. Kakasaheb Devdar English Medium School is the certain person. So, certain person is required in the check. The next thing is about the certain sum of the money, how much money paid it is the mention is essentially on the check. So 14,200 rupees is the certain sum of the money, and the money is also important in word and figure also, and here we looking the in figure also. The next thing is about the signature. The signature is matched with the specific which is provided by the customer to the bank. So signature is also important. The next thing is about the account number, which is the given into the bank. The next is about the crossing, is about the cross check. There is a necessary to the precaution about the cross check because of the only account pay. We left side draw the two parallel line for the crossing. The next is about the signature, and next is about the account number. Another thing is important is the check number. There is the 6-digit number which is the check number, here we mention. The next 9-digit number is about the MICR code, MICR code, where we mention the MICR code. The first 3 digit is the mention the city of the check, the next 3 digit is the mention the bank, and the another digit is mentioned about the branch. So these are the essential things. Also last 2 digit is mentioned the transaction ID in the checks. So 10 is the transaction ID. Features of the checks. What are the features of the checks? We mentioned some common feature of the checks. The first is the important feature is the written check is the written document, and that's why it is the important. It is not the oral, it is the written document, that's why it's become valid. So it is the written document is the important feature of the check and the negotiable instrument. Next is the unconditional. There is no mention any condition into the checks, otherwise it's become invalid. So there is no condition to pay certain sum of money for the customer. The next thing is about the check is about the specific banker. So check is always draw on the specific banker. So there is the 3 parties, drawer, drawee and the payee. So drawer is who make the check, and the drawee means the specific bank, and the payee who receive the money. So these are the important feature of the checks. The pay to the certain person. In our specific specimen of the check, there is we mentioned the Dr. Kakasaheb Devdar, which is the specific person. Specific person means the institute, or specific person means the individual also. So there is the mention specific person in the check. The another feature of the check is about the it is the certain sum of the money. There is the certain sum of the money 14,200 only, not less than 400, near about the 400 or near about the 14,000, near about less something that it is not mentioned on the check. 14,200 only. So certain sum of the money is mentioned in the check. The next is the important payable to the demand. Whenever customer is the present the check into the bank and the demanded, that time only bank is the given payment to the payee and certain person. The next is the sign by the drawer. The sign of the drawer is the essential, because the which is the match with the specific signature of the customer, which is provide he time of the opening of account. So sign of the customer is essential for the check. Next is the parties. Parties, there are the 3 parties in the check, means the drawer is the maker or the who write the check. The second is the bank, means the drawee, and third is the payee who received the money. These are the features is the mention in the check. The another point is about the types of check. So we here they discuss about the types of the check. The first is about the bearer check. Bearer check is the get the money for the who hold the possession of the bearer check. So anyone who hold the possession of the check get the money. So a certain sum of money is given into the bearer check. There is no parallel line is the cross in the left side of the corner in the check is about the bearer check. The next is about the order check. On the check there is the mention the certain sum of money is given to the certain person the order of the customer. So, is the order check where the certain sum of money is given order of the customers. Next is about the types, the cross check. Whenever two parallel line we draw in the left side of the corner and write something, or without the writing we crossing, it is called the cross check. So, it is the cross check. The next is the types about the general crossing. The sometime between these two cross line, the left side we write something and co, and company, it is the called the general crossing. Not negotiable we also write into the general crossing. So, and co, these types of things we write, not negotiable we also write into the checks. So, it is the general crossing. There is also some types of the crossing. The State Bank of India, we mention the bank name like the Punjab National Bank. So, here we looking that there is the special crossing. So, specially mention into the check the bank name like State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. So, it is the special crossing whenever we write the special something in and given special instruction to the banker. And restrictive crossing, whenever we write the not negotiable Punjab National Bank only, SBI only, it is called the special crossing or restrictive crossing. So, it is the restrictive crossing. So, account pay only. So, restrict the check, the deposit only into the account. So, it is the restrictive crossing types of the check. Next is the about the types of the check we looking here. The negotiable instrument, not negotiable crossing. So, we mention here the and co, and company. So, it is the not negotiable types of the check. So, it is not negotiable types of the check. The next point is about the check is mutilated check. Mutilated check means those checks which has been the damage or the torn, the sometime the left side, right side, bottom of the side, or the sometime top of the side is the damage the check, it is called the mutilated checks. So, mutilated check not accepted by the bank for the payment. So, mutilated check is the also another type which is not accepted by the bank. The next is about the check is the stale checks. So, whenever the check is not present in the within the time in the bank, that time it is called the stale check. The check is present the after date of the check, it is called the stale check. Sometime the post dated check is present by the customer in the bank, that time banker is not honor this kind of the check. So, it is the stale check. Another also type is the travel check. Whenever the customer travel from one place to the another person, he hold the check and deposit into the particular branch of the bank and they withdraw his money. So, here is the end the types of the check.